Yeah, it's quite subdued.
Simple.
Yeah, quite subdued. It's not very complicated. It's quite simple. But I can feel the vetiver. The vetiver is quite fresh. It's quite a fresh vetiver, but it's quite floral as well. Little bit of floral, woody, vetiver. A little tiny bit of spice, but not very complicated. It's quite simple, but it's one of those for every day, isn't it? Yeah.
Good, yeah.
This is simple for every day, easy going. Just put it on and go out, something like that. But
if
it's
if you
quite
don't
nice.
wanna have a very
Age?
strong smell, you can wear this.
Yeah, not very strong.
Very
Yeah.
strong.
Age.
I think young people.
This is
All
ages,
can
yeah,
wear,
and season all year round,
yeah.
all year round, and 1 to 10.
5.
Why?
I don't like it that
No?
much. No.
Okay, if you don't like it.
Very simple.
Yeah, very simple. Okay, 5 out of 10
Yeah.
for Vetiver by Karl Lagerfeld. 5 out of 10. All right, let's go to Gorgeous Resh, and this is Eternal Blue. This is the last one in this video. So Eternal Blue by Gorgeous Resh. So it shows you. See, Karl Lagerfeld is a very famous house, but Maryam didn't like it that much. But these houses are unknown, but Maryam likes them very much because they smell good. So name doesn't mean anything. Prices and names doesn't indicate.
The smell is very
Exactly, doesn't indicate that the perfume smells nice or you like it or something like that. So always do your research. There are so many good perfume houses, brands out there that they don't have big names, but they make very good fragrances. And this is what we like. We like underdogs. Okay.
Royal family.
Royal family back.
Family. Very nice.
So Gorgeous Fresh, this is Eternal Blue.
They got brother, no?
Yeah, this is the brother of this one, yeah. Very, very nice. Very nice presentation, posh bottles, very heavy bottles and heavy thick glass for under £20. You cannot go wrong with these.
Wow, this is nice.
Look at this. I can smell it already. You know, Karl Lagerfeld was very subdued and weak, and this is very strong.
This is really nice.
Wow, very strong. So it's very fruity. I can smell something like a fig.
Yeah, and floral.
Yeah, it's floral, but it's got a little bit of figginess to it.
And it's fresh.
It's very fresh. It's very uplifting and inviting. Fresh, cool. It's like a cool weather, isn't it? It's like a cool wind.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, but it's very nice. Again, the quality is unbelievable.
Wow. Really
Okay, so
royally.
so age.
I think any age.
Any age,
Yeah.
and season, any season.
Any
isn't it?
season,
Any
yeah.
season, and 1 to 10.
Oh, 10 again.
10. Beautiful. You see, it shows you. Karl Lagerfeld, big name, 5, and this one doesn't have a name. She gave it 10 because it smells good,
Wow,
because it's
it's
fantastic.
I love it.
Wow, what a beautiful smell.
You fall in love when somebody comes in the room with this smell.
It's
you know,
lovely,
you
amazing.
love it.
Okay,
Wow,
guys,
beautiful.
thank you very much. So 10 out of 10 for Gorgeous Resh, Eternal Blue. We see you in the next video. Thank you very much for joining us. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned anything, if it was useful, if it was informative, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And if you can share it with others to give us exposure, that would be great. Thank you very much, Maryam, again for joining us. And I see you in the next episode. Bye, bye, bye.